a little good news today.
Alright, YouTube, I worked on a tornado a lot like mine. My sister brought it to me from the school she works at, which is my home school. And by that I mean this last school I went to for high school. But the bag was full, so I took it off to empty it in my garbage can, which should be a vacuum test later on. But while I was cleaning the bag, it made a mess. I don't know if you can see all that pretty much gray dirt, which is really just dead skin cells on the carpet. Dead skin cells and probably hair from girls shedding their hair. So, we're going to clean it up. I'm going to use my wonderful Hoover Runabout to do so. Enjoy. Alright, I think the little whistling sound or something is an air leak. Probably gonna have to, I'm gonna work on that later, but I'd say that did pretty good. I love my Runabout. My brother doesn't like it, because when I used it at work, he hated the noise it made. Of course, I just like, what? I can't hear you. And he was like, I said, it's really loud. I said, you need me to bring a louder one next time? Okay. I was pretty much getting on his nerves while we were at work, so, yeah. Anyway, I don't care how loud the machine is. I pretty much do it to use one to drown out all the bullshit that goes on when I use one, or when I'm vacuuming. So anyway, tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all would like to see. And I will see what I can do and how I can do it. Until next time, bye.
I'll still be here if you leave. I'll still